Restore vintage motorcycle stands. Although still associated with the bad boy image, most motorcycle lovers are simply regular people enjoying a hobby or keeping to their preferred mode of transportation. If you have a great penchant for motorcycles, be it old or novel, a vintage stand can make an excellent addition to your collection. With some minor restoration, a vintage motorcycle stand can hold up your most treasured bike, adding to its general appeal. As most vintage stand may look worn out, some part replacement and cleaning can greatly change it from looking antique to novel. Follow these steps to ensure you make the most out of a vintage motorcycle stand. Clear away the wooden top part of the motorcycle stand. These are normally secured by 2 bolts or screws, so removing it would be easy enough with the use of a socket wrench or a screwdriver. Remember to clear away any wood fragments once the top is lifted off. Replacing the wood will be made easier without any clutter and debris from the one removed. Take out any rubber ends covering the edges of the frame piping. These parts are commonly bonded by glue, so you may want to pry it with pliers. If it doesn't give, try using a flathead screwdriver. Dispose of these rubber ends, as you need to replace them with new ones after polishing the frames. Remove any rust by using a strong metal cleaner. A rust or buildup usually accumulates on the frame of the stand, so it's necessary to clean this area. Use a wire brush, however. Be careful not to gash on the metal of the frame. For best results, the use of industrial strength metal polish is recommended. Polish the frames into a shine by using a standard metal polish. This will give the motorcycle stand a clean and new look without losing its vintage appeal. Replace the rubber ends. The rubber ends removed earlier should be replaced with fresh ones. Major hardware stores carry a wide variety of these rubber ends. Look for the right size, shape, and quality, and secure the ends of the frame piping with them using epoxy glue. If the edges of the frame piping are left without the protective rubber ends, the metal could do some serious damage on your motorcycle's surface, or any other equipment in your garage. It's best to keep them dressed with rubber ends. Redress the top part of the motorcycle stand with a cut of new wood. When choosing the right type of wood, consider one that can support the weight of the heavy motorcycle. Another thing to put in mind is the color of the wood. It should complement the color of the metal. Remember to use new bolts or screws when this piece is being replaced. Motorcycle stands are important accessories to keep your bike stable and safe. It's perfect when your motorcycle is at rest in your garage, and for when you're polishing or washing it. A well-restored vintage motorcycle stand makes a great addition to your bike collection.